Welcome back, everyone. Today we're making chocolate blondies. So let's do this. I have a half a pound of butter, which is 2 sticks, and I'm gonna mix the butter with 1 cup of light brown sugar and half a cup of the granulated. And so we're gonna mix that up. I'm going slow because I don't want it to go all over the place here. Okay. So I'm gonna put the vanilla. This is pure vanilla. So, see my vanilla? I'm not gonna say the name of the vanilla because it's not very easy to say. Madagascar. There you go. And we're gonna add 2 eggs. Only 1 at a time though. There you go. Scrape this bowl so we get all the goodness. Give it another layer. Okay, we're good here. Put that away. Put that away. So now we have 2 cups of flour and baking soda and salt in here. And again, I'm gonna sift this, but the recipe will be on the bottom. All you have to do is hit more. And okay, I'm making a mess. I'm just gonna do it in here. Oh, it's much better. Of course, I don't like to work in a messy kitchen, so gotta get that out of the way. All right. And here we go. Here's my pan. So, Isabella. And Isabella is here. You gonna have some? We're almost there. Oh my. Oh, we're gonna stick it on here. Now that's what you call a perfect blondie. Chocolate blondies. Come and get them. Thank you.